Hey, Mia.
Hey!
Oh, you're playing hide and seek?
Oh, mi maman.
You're playing with Mo. I wonder where he'll hide.
Hey! Haha!
Mo, where will you hide?
Aha! Me.
Ah! Ha! Ah!
Ready or not, here she comes. He's in a really good hiding place.
Ha!
Hey! Aha!
Uh-oh, what happened? You read the markings on the wall. It must be magic words. You can't see anything. We'd better call for help.
Oh! Hey!
Hey, Mia, Mo got lost in the cave.
Oh!
Right, I'm sure Maverick can help.
Huh?
Hey, Maverick, basketball training? Well, you might stop it. Mo is lost in a cave. Can you come find him? You want Malcolm to help find him? Right. Malcolm is a great explorer. He knows his caves. Hey, Malcolm, looking for treasure? Maverick needs your help. Mo is lost in a cave. We need your adventurer skills. Can you help? Cool. He's still in there? Right. You better go inside and find him. Mo, are you here? Uh-oh. The situation's getting worse, guys. You see something? You think these words will make the crystals come back on? Okay, give it a try. Guys, it worked! And you found Mo! Uh-oh! I'm not sure those were the right words. You'd better get out of there. That was a close one, guys. I wonder why there were booby traps in that cave.
Hey.
Another mystery for another day indeed. Are they fighting again? Milo, look where you're going! Wow, that was close! You think you're going to fall off? No! Hey, Maverick, Milo and Mitch are in big trouble. Can you help? They were arguing and fell off the bridge.
Look.
We need to find them quickly. Guys, you're okay! But you're stuck, right? You'd better find a way to move. These waters are dangerous. You don't want to float into the sea. Mitch, you made a sail! You have a real boat now! You've got some speed going now! Guys, you're heading towards a waterfall! Mia, you should stop! I'm not surprised you're dizzy. What happened? Oh, an emergency landing went wrong, eh? Mia, Milo, and Mitch are in big trouble. Can you help? Milo and Mitch fell off the bridge. We need to hurry. That was genius! Where will you land? Now you just need to wait for rescue. Maverick, they already fell. You'd better hurry. Oh, Mia is rescuing them? You have an important job, too. Still fighting, guys. You need to make up. Mia is here to rescue you anyway. Thank you, Mia.
Berapa, Bob? Nama lo enggak?
Guys, don't you think you should stop fighting? Remember what happened?
Oh.
Take care, guys. Hey, Marty.
Hey.
Looks like you're not alone playing up here.
Oh, hey.
Impressed?
Yeah.
You want to show Mia how fast you can go? Uh-oh. Seems like the sunlight is blinding Marty. Careful, Marty. There's a bend in the road. Can you see him, Mia?
Oh.
We'd better get Maverick. Hey, Maverick! Maverick!
Iba,
There's been an accident on the cliff. We need your help.
inhabitants.
Marty was trying to impress Mia, but he accidentally drove off the cliff.
Minama.
You're right. We're probably going to need Miranda's help, too.
Mini Babu.
Minama.
Oh, dear. Have you two been arguing again?
You.
Well, it's a good thing it's nothing serious. Maverick really needs Miranda's help. Marty should be somewhere in the forest.
Mama.
You can't see him, but he must be here. What was that? It's Marty! You were lucky the trees caught you, Marty. Good point. How do we get him down?
Mama, Minama.
Of course! Mia can push him out of the tree. You two start making a bed of leaves for him to land on.
Oh,
Mia, can you go and give Marty a gentle push? Ready? Here he comes! It's okay, Marty. Miranda will make you better.
Anana, Minama, Namanov.
You're lucky you've got such good friends, Marty.
Hey.
Oh! See you next time, monster trucks. What a peaceful day in Monster Town. Marty, what are you up to? Hi, Mo. Taking a lunch break? Marty, that was a mean prank. And now the river's carrying Mo downstream. Oh, hold on, Mo. Uh-oh. We're gonna have to ask Maverick to come and help. Hi, Maverick. There you go, all fixed.
Anana, no.
Marty played a trick on Mo and he fell in the river.
Mao, Mam, but Minama.
Show Maverick where to go, Marty. It's okay, Mo. Your buddy Maverick is coming to save you.
Banana.
Come on, Maverick. You can do it. Don't let go, Mo. Mo! Uh-oh, there's more trouble ahead. Well, at least Mo's not going anywhere now. Hang on! He's sinking! And you can't swim!
Banana.
Mo! Incredible! How did you get out of the river? You had some help. Marty, you saved Mo. Marty's sorry he made you fall in the river. Mo's just glad you and Maverick saved him. That was a great team effort, guys. Until the next time, play safe, monster trucks.
Hey guys, follow us in our big adventures by clicking more videos. Download our app to play with your favorite friends. Thanks for riding with us. Hope you liked our video. Click here to subscribe and join the Car City family. See you on the road.